Abhishek. I am studying LKG. My school name is Bright Little Star School.
Good morning, Abhishek. Wake up.
Good morning, Mama. Please let me sleep 5 more minutes.
No, Abhishek, it's already 7 o'clock. You will be late for your school.
Okay, Mama. I'm getting now.
Now, brush your teeth properly.
Okay, Mama. I'm brushing my teeth. I brush my teeth.
Good boy. Now take a bath.
Alright, Mama. I am take a bath.
Well done, Abhishek. Now dress up quickly. Have your breakfast.
Mama, I am and my breakfast.
Abhishek, have you done your homework?
Yes, Mama. I have completed my homework.
Good boy. Now pack up your bag. Get ready for your school.
Thank you for all.